Quick Snapchat tour and overview. Before showing you every function available in Snapchat, I would like to show you that Snapchat is composed of 6 principal sections: the camera screen, the profile screen, the Snapchat feed, the stories screen, the discover screen, and the brand new memories screen, the camera screen. Once you open the Snapchat app, the first area you will see will be the camera screen. The camera screen is where you'll be able to create and send snaps. The first thing you'll notice is your selfie camera showing yourself in the screen, which obviously means Snapchat wants you to start interacting with the application. The upper left icon lets you activate or deactivate the flash of your smartphone. The upper middle icon will let you slide to the profile screen. The upper right icon will let you flip between your front and rear-facing camera. The bottom left icon will let you slide to the Snapchat feed. The big circle icon is known as the capture button and is the one you'll use to tap to take a photo or hold to take a video. The small circle icon is the one which will take you to the memories screen. Finally, the bottom right icon is the one which will take you to the stories screen. The profile screen. By tapping on the top middle icon, you'll slide to the profile screen. The profile screen is where you'll be able to manage your account and settings. In this area, you'll find several icons to choose from. Right in front, you'll see your personal Snapchat code, as well as your name and username below. From here, you'll be able to check who added you as a friend, add new friends, and take a look at your friends list and contacts. The upper left icon will show you some helpful advice from Snapchat. The upper middle icon will send you to the trophy case. The upper right icon will send you to the settings area, and the bottom icon will allow you to go back to the camera screen. The Snapchat feed. By tapping on the chat icon, you'll slide to the Snapchat feed. The Snapchat feed is simply where you'll be able to start chatting. First, you'll see all conversations with Snapchat friends listed. The magnifying glass icon will let you search for any specific conversation of your choice. The upper right icon will let you start a new chat. Below, you'll see the 3 regular icons. The left one will send you to the Snapchat feed, the right one will send you to the stories screen, and the middle one will send you back to the camera screen. The stories screen. By tapping on the 3 dots icon, you'll slide to the stories screen. The stories screen will show you Snapchat stories. Stories are compilations of snaps that create a narrative. Stories honor the true nature of storytelling. Snaps appear in chronological order, with a beginning, middle, and end. The magnifying glass icon will let you search and add people by username, as well as discover stories from users by using keywords. Below, you'll see the 3 regular icons. The left one will send you to the Snapchat feed, the right one will send you to the stories screen, and the middle one will send you back to the camera screen. The upper right icon will slide you to the discover screen. The discover screen. With the discover screen, you'll be able to discover channels from top publishers who add content daily, watch live stories from an event, or check out local stories. The memories screen. To open memories, just swipe up from the camera screen or tap the circle underneath the capture button. Memories is a new feature of Snapchat, a personal collection of snaps and stories you've saved, which are backed up by Snapchat. All your snaps will be organized accordingly. Under All, you will see listed all your snaps and stories. Under Snaps, only your snaps. Under Stories, only your stories. And under Camera Roll, you'll see all the pictures and videos you have stored in your device, so you can also use them with Snapchat.